Hello, welcome to the Introduction to Revit 2021. My name is Stacy Seiferth Taylor, and this is for Wayne State University's Interior Design Program, AIA 5620 Building Construction Systems. So welcome to Revit. This is what you'll see when you click on and open the Revit application. And of course, this is where we're choosing what files we're going to open. And there's two different types of files in Revit. So Revit is a building information modeling software, or BIM software, BIM. And it means that it contains within it an entire model and all of the sheets or separate architectural or engineering types of drawings, as well as specifications that would all be included an entire set of information that's required in order to build or construct a building. And it's accessed by all types of professionals who might interact or engage with the building process. And it's built for each parts of these systems, or each of the people who are part of the system might interact with it in a slightly different way under the same structure and within the same larger model, as opposed to in AutoCAD, which is also made by the same company, Autodesk, and it is compatible. AutoCAD tends to work one sheet at a time. The sheets can be referenced into other files, whereas this is really like it creates an entire model that collects all of those files automatically into one larger file. So those models are what you see here, both listed on the left and on the right. You can open an existing model or begin a new one. And on the right, you'll see little icons showing recent models that have been opened. And then below that, you'll see the word families, both on the left and on the right. And so families actually refer to elements that you might place within a larger modeling file. And so if we look down here on the right, we can see that the families include things such as furniture, or a type of structure, or some sort of special element that you would like to create as a unit and place into your larger model. So now if we want to open something that already exists, I'm going to open this sample architecture project by clicking on that icon right there. And then it takes us into the main page. So here in the main page, if you are familiar with AutoCAD, this is a fairly similar layout. So in the main space here, we have our sheet. This one opened the first page of a title sheet, but it might open to whatever page that you were already working on, or view that you were already working on within the model. Up at the top, we'll start up here. You'll see this home button on the top left, right next to the Revit R. And let's see, if we click on that, it's going to take us right back to the file manager page. And I could then click back into this file, but since it's already opened, I can also get back into my file. So if you ever accidentally happen to arrive here, there's no need to worry. You can just click the back button and it will take you back into your file, and everything will be still saved as it was. But this top toolbar is called a quick access toolbar. All these little icons up here, and it's customizable, but it comes with a number of icons that it assumes that you might want to have quick access to, such as file open, file save, print. Here, this is actually undo and redo. This is measure between two reference points. And this is another one I use quite a lot, which is a default 3D view. So if I'm working in, say, a floor plan, and I want to see how that's coming out in 3 dimensions, I might click right on this tiny little house here and open it into that 3D view.